DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Down this fucking lab, you know. Yeah man, today we're there with the bad Juve himself, you know. Yeah man, Mr. Pablo 𝐻𝐍. Yeah man, the one on name 654. I check it out and see him there. How that? I do for this. Yeah, I do for in a video. Say dog up out the door for. We'll see you dog deal. Pablo 𝐻𝐍 654. We are jumping in the chat before that gang. Hit the like and subscribe on road to 10k. We're only 2,500 away, gang. You see me? I say make that happen. We can make it happen before the year done. Let's see how fast we can get to 100 likes, gang. You see me on the video. You see me? I say every video to make sure we hit the goal. Make sure see how fast we can get 100 likes on the video. You see me? I say you don't know. I jump right in the chat. Pablo 𝐻𝐍 654. Let's get it.
Room.
Dog sound like blood cleat, Javilani.
Man say yo buster. Where me name? 354. Mount a client me a find that code 654.
Alright, 654 and a 41. Alright.
Me name. Client office send one me say Philip. Bang a 20 in a charge is like serenade. I do for send about 30 name. No bad vibes me bang a walk under energy.
Sounds right, that's what I do for. Alright, come in.
Chops call my client off a drive. No on time, so me not tell her if it's Ellie whip. Me send her to my next client. She not have no bad vibes, so me not tell her if it's Ellie. She said buster haka slash attacker. She see spin the black hat.
Yeah, come on, no, this is a vibe.
Stay torn with a pin.
Easy with the chip bum buck. Today we want to do the chip with the extender. Easy.
Torn with a P90. I play black ops. My black hat have white and black ops. Posted on my chatter when the M1.
Say my black hat. With P90 I play black ops. My black hat. Me have black and white ops. Easy.
Me a roll out with the chopper. Get back to the money. 20 of a giant and time for like 354, like 354. Mount a client, me a find the code like 654, like 654. He grinch clean fry inside out. My dog then rich like bees I've done. Here a code like
Rich like bees I've done. Come in man, outside.
354.
The bumbuckler thing there.
354, Montreal. She said buster haka slash attacker. She see spin the black hat. In a stay torn with a P9.
Easy. Bumbuckler boy, arm to no flick bullet for real. Up to them. No props. No props, tell them.
I play black ops. My black hat have white and black ops. Posted on my chatter when the M1 clapper. Coon on my tata. Me a roll out with it.
Clap pussy, them a chow in the end black. In the end black. Hakuna Matata. Yeah, man, me don't worry. Easy that they walk out cocky. Come in now.
Posted on my chatter when the M1 clapper. Coon on my tata. Me a roll out with the chopper. Get back to the money.
Easy no cola. Blood clean. Call them.
Rich so fast, fry we discover the black web. Me have my hand cover the food like a dish cover. Me now for put money point, and if me can't catch me up, you know them is runner. No give a fuck with politics, I that make them gala. I swallow dick so far, I might style them yeah. Salad discover.
Okay, about the politics.
Shoot them shatter, them not gonna miss no man. She said buster haka slash attacker. She see spin the black hat. In a stay torn with a P90. I play black ops. My black hat have white and black ops.
Season 1.
Posted on my chatter when the M1 clapper.
Kuna Matata. Easy no.
Me a roll out with the chopper. Get back to the money. Where me name? Client office send one me say Philip. Bang a 20 in a charge is like serenade. I do for send about 30 name. No bad vibes, me bang a walk under energy. Yo, chops call my client off a drive.
No bad vibes, me bang a work on the energy. No bad vibes, don't be chopping up. Hey boy, what you do?
No on time, so me not tell her if it's Ellie whip. Me send her to my next client. She not have no bad vibes, so me not tell her if it's Ellie. 354, 354.
Giant 354 if you not get it. 354 you.
Giant 354. 654.
boy me name.
RB, may I tell us say you Mish and Mish, thief for thief. You know say thief different from Mish.
Tell him again.
And I lie.
Thief for thief, Mish and Mish. You know say Mish different from Bob. Bad Juvie, you see me I say, Pablo 𝐎𝐍, the one named 654 gang. What do you think about it one day? The Bad Juvie still on that shit in my opinion. Still on that shit. Pussy them a chat and when the M1 clap Kuna Matata. Two no boy. They want to come back, create and peace and all and them thing then, eh? And I chat off for no more. But yeah man. Pablo 𝐎𝐍, the one still on this one. Yeah, this is got like a Spanish vibe to it, a little, you know what I'm saying? Different type of vibe to a chopping song. Like playlist tune. I might play this shit while driving to work today. You see me I say? Pablo 𝐎𝐍 654. Yeah man, dog did this thing on this one. You see me? What's in there man? Chat down with the M1 Kuna Matata blouse and skirt. Bad Juvie in town. Let me know anything about the gang. If you like it, if you're going to show that to someone want support, make you know say the dance and you know. Also, let me know your favorite part was B6 smelly visuals. You see that was like with that door from Quill them. You see me I say? Let me know only thing about that. Also, gang, drop a request so you can get your shout out. And we're on the road to 10K. You know, we're on 2,500 away. You see me I say, gang, hit the like and subscribe and see how fast we can get to 100 likes. You see me I say, faster we get to those likes, faster we get to 25K, man. You see me I say, gang, say the like and subscribe button. You see me I say, you don't know. Let's chop it up. Let's get a dialogue going. All that good stuff. You don't know back active. Bangers back to back multiple times a day. You see me I say, gang. No waste no time, man. There. Also, gang, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me know. Drop on a request, all them good stuff there. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Today is what? Today's Tuesday. I don't think we're gonna have a live later on tonight. No, I don't think we're gonna have a live later on tonight. It's Tuesday. I was supposed to have yesterday, which was Monday, but I didn't. Right now, if you need to start go live every day and a day, I'm gonna knock out some reactions and knock out some topics, you know. That me, let me know in the comment section if you want it. If you want me to go live talking about topics, or if you want me to go live talking about like reactions. You see what I'm saying? And let me know if you don't want me drop back to update them. You see me? I start drop back some mad updates in again. You see me? I say gang, no joke, man. For real. Get the shit popping, get the shit going. You see me? I say. Let me know in the comments. Cause it seems like y'all used to love with the updates. You see me? I'm gonna start back with the updates. You see what I say? So let me know anything in the comment section, gang. You don't know what time it is. Till next time. It's a boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.